Okay, so hi everyone. Let's look at. So yesterday we looked at similarity, the test of similarity. So today we'll be looking at the questions from exercise 1.3. So we are going to look at exercise 1.3. This is the first question for exercise 1.3. What I want you to do is go through the question, draw the diagram in your book, and now let's. So this is the question. Let's see what I told you. Basically, we need to write what is given. So what is given over here? What is given? In triangle, so this is a triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, okay, is equal to 75. Okay, so in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 75 degree. Angle ABC is equal to 75 degree. Angle EDC is equal to 75 degree. Okay, state which of the two triangles are similar by which test. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by a proper one-to-one correspondence. So we have already seen this. Now look at this triangle. Look at this triangle and look at this triangle. So look at this angle C, guys. Look at this angle C. This angle C is coming in this triangle also, and it's coming in the bigger triangle also. So it's something like this. It's coming in the angle C is coming in the smaller triangle like this, and that same angle. It's the same angle. Only I'm extending the arms. So basically, this is an angle which is there in this smaller triangle, also in this bigger triangle. So such type of angle I call it as common angle. Such type of angle I call it as common angle. So proof. Let's go for proof. In triangle, I'll take the bigger triangle ABC. In triangle ABC and triangle DEC. In triangle ABC and triangle DEC. In triangle ABC and triangle DEC. Angle DCE is equal to, okay, because I've written ABC first, I'll write ABC ka angle first. So look at this entire angle ACB. This is the entire angle. Angle ACB is congruent to angle. See, this entire angle would be equal to this chotu angle. Actually, they are the same angle. See, I'm writing it like this, and I'm just extending the arms. So basically, you need to understand that it is the same angle. Same angle. सिर्फ इधर से इधर ले रहा हूँ और दूसरी बार ये पूरा ले रहा हूँ. बट एंगल का मेजर तो सेम रहेगा. प्रोट्रैक्टर पे गिनोगे तो एक ही तुमको मेजर मिलेगा. So angle ACB, so this angle ACB is equal to angle DCE, and that is equal to, the reason will be common angle. Second, look at this angle. What is the name of this angle? When I started with geometry, I told you, because many of you all know, when I discuss this in class, you all are not able to name the angles correctly. You all are not able to name the angles. What I told you, whenever this is the angle, you will never start from here. If you remember in the first class, whenever this is your angle, you will never start from here. You either start from here or you start from here. Many people will say DC, some will say DEC. It's all wrong. You can't start with D. You want this angle, you can't start with D. You have to start with here or here. So I say EDC. How much is EDC, guys? Tell me how much is EDC? EDC, how much is EDC? 75. And that is equal to this angle. Again, now if I have to say this angle, I'll never start from here. I'll never start from here. I'll say ABC, or I'll say CBA. I'll say ACB. See, you can't start from here. You want this angle ka name, so you can't start from here. You either start from here or you start from here. So ABC congruent hai. Both. See, this is not common angle. This is not common angle. इसका measure is the same. Common मतलब क्या? अभी देखो, एक और एग्जांपल देता हूँ common का. ये देखो, ये एंगल इस ट्रायंगल में भी है एंड इस ट्रायंगल में भी है. So this angle is common. Basically, it's the same angle. This 75 and 75 is not the same angle. These are two different angles. Their measures are equal. So that is why I have not written common angle. I have written both 75. So tell me which test will I use? Tell me, guys, which test will I use? So they are similar by which test? Which test? Very good. Assumption says A test. Veer says A test. Aditi says A test. Varsha says A test. Very good. So sides का कोई information दिया ही नहीं है मेरे को. Sides का कोई information दिया ही नहीं है मेरे को. There's no information of the sides. So now let's go to, okay, uh, let's go to write the one-to-one correspondence. Let's go to write the one-to-one correspondence. Okay, so now see, this C will go with the C, same C, because see DCA में भी C है और ACB में भी C है, तो C will go with C. Now ये B है, ये 75 है, ये B 75 है, ये ट्रायंगल में कौन से एंगल के साथ जाएगा वो मेरे को बताओ, ये ट्रायंगल में कौन सा एंगल के साथ जाएगा बताओ मेरे को. ये 75 है तो इधर किसके साथ जाएगा? Okay, I want people to answer. It will go with D. Very good. It will go with D. So now I'll say D. Okay. अभी देखो ABC में मैंने ABC लिया था ना पहले. ABC में C हो गया, B हो गया, क्या बचा? A बचा. DC में C हो गया, D हो गया, क्या बचा? E बचा. So this is by AA test. Now they want me to write the one-to-one correspondence. What is the one-to-one correspondence? Basically seg. One-to-one is this. This is the one-to-one correspondence. Seg CB is one-to-one correspondence is CD. Seg BA. Tell me BA will be one-to-one correspondence with. Tell me BA का one-to-one correspondence किसके साथ रहेगा? BA का one-to-one correspondence किसके साथ रहेगा? Very good. DE. Very good. DE. See, I want everyone to answer. I can see only specific names every time answering. I can see only specific names. I want the entire class to answer. Take your time out. Go to the chat box and answer. Okay. Okay. Now next. CA. Look at CA. Sec CA. Sec CA is one-to-one correspondence with sec CE. So ये हो गया. Now angle C. Angle C का one-to-one correspondence किसके साथ है? Angle C का बताओ one-to-one correspondence किसके साथ है? C will have one-to-one correspondence with. Very good. C will have one-to-one correspondence with C. Okay. Next, angle B. Angle B will have one-to-one correspondence with which? B will have one-to-one correspondence with D. See, because B is second, D is second. And angle A will have one-to-one correspondence with. Angle A will have one-to-one correspondence. A किसके साथ रहेगा? E. Okay, very good. So everyone, I want the entire class to answer. So this is about the question, one-to-one correspondence. Now suppose I add one more part in the question, that write the CSST. Write the CSST. Write the CSST. I say write the CSST. How will the CSST come? Suppose I erase this. How will the CSST come? Tell me. How will the CSST come? So basically, if I have to write the CSST, it will be CSST. CB upon CD is equal to BA upon DE is equal to CA upon CE. This is your one-to-one correspondence, CSST, corresponding sides of similar triangle. Is this sum clear, guys? Is this clear with everyone? Is this clear with everyone? Okay. I hope it's clear. Anyone has any doubt? Okay. Yeah. So yeah. So I think our meeting time is also almost